MALYAN MA10 3D printer. If you are a beginner looking to explore the exciting world of 3D printing, the MALYAN MA10 3D printer is a perfect option. With its easy and quick assembly process, even those new to 3D printing can set up the printer in just a few minutes. This provides a fun and educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics, making it an excellent choice for STEM enthusiasts. One of the critical features of the MALYAN MA10 3D printer is its heated, removable magnetic build plate, which allows for easy removal of prints and cleaning of the platform. The dual-Y gantry of the MALYAN MA10 3D printer provides a stable base for the print bed, minimizing wobble during printing. This ensures better print quality and prevents the need to level the bed repeatedly, making it a more stable option than single-Y gantry models. With lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour professional customer service, the MALYAN MA10 3D printer offers excellent value for its price. With its user-friendly features and high-quality components, the MALYAN MA10 3D printer is a perfect choice for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number